box.
Again!
Could I open it?
Yeah, let's see what's in. I have no idea why I'm gonna do this. Okay.
Ready?
And a 1, and a 2, and a 3! Open! Wow!
Mini brands! Guys, it's mini brands!
I thought it was like something else. I thought it would be like something else.
I thought it would be like Lego or not.
Oh, this is really easy to open.
Oh!
Ow.
You know what are mini brands? They're like mini stuff.
Yeah,
Also,
watch
you
that
could
video.
you could also get some. You could also.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
There's
It's 5
5.
surprise mini brands. They're the food edition.
Pepel's a really big fan of these. And I'm not. I'm just kidding. Guys, we have a full set of mini brands. Ooh, we got another one of these. Nothings. Nothings. Wait. Okay, nothings and what are those? Climbs. I'm gonna do this.
Another. Here you go.
And we have a set of collections.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Wait. And guys, we have a set of collections.
Guides. Also, there's
Yeah, we're
backwards.
gonna leave that thing there. Okay, I'm just gonna rip it.
That's new.
What is it? What do you got?
No usual.
Ham, right? I saw it. It's ham.
Yeah.
We got bacon. And I've got Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip.
Here.
Okay, we're throwing these things away. Okay, so Pepel's got naturally hardwood smoke. Next one is this one.
You zip yours. Oh, I'll zip mine.
Zip. Oh,
Yes! 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 Yes!
Yes! Yes!
why?
Because I really wanted
Bagel bites?
Yeah. We got this. It's so cute.
Bagel bites.
And it's a sauce, I guess. Look at it. Look.
Oh, we got this again. Heinz 57 sauce.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, let's open this up. Rip. I knew it.
Another.
Another Kool-Aid? No way. This is so cool.
Okay. And more to open.
Yeah, but guys, we have filled.
Oh! We need these
We need those. No way. Where do we use it?
for it won't be. I had mini brunch.
Ate.
I had mini brunch.
Ate.
I had a mini brunch.
We got so many of them. More. And I think there's 3 more. And now they'll add the Rory for shelves. And I'm so happy.
I have 2 more.
Just 3. Because I opened one.
No, I have 3.
It's so cool. Bro, what? What?
Last one, guys. 1, 2, 3.
What did you got?
Got a caramel. We
Let's
already
op-
have those.
Let's
so.
open mine now. Yes!
What is that? A card.
I could build this.
Do it again.
I realized that you have to put the sticker down over here, not in the basket. I just didn't look.
I just didn't look and they looked.
I just didn't Bob the Builder.
Newborn to 2 years old, they're not allowed to have these because they might put her in a they're like,
Ooh, ah.
ew. And then they will be dead. I'm really good at building. Bob the Builder. Yo.
Bob the Builder.
Okay. It's so close.
Bobby the Builder.
Guys, Pepel is just building right now, and I'm gonna scare her with this.
That doesn't even look real.
You don't even know what to show boy.
Monster
In the where?
in the bed.
No.
Where?
That's a boogeyman. It won't fit. Sa cart na lang, oh. Or you can use this. Look.
Yeah.
We have another. There's a side like that. Yun, we're all done. I would say 10 out of 10 too.
10 out of 10. Because they're so tiny, so I could, and they could fit.
Actually, 9 out of 10 for me. Because it's really hard to find when it's small. The bad one is losing all of them, and
they're good for my dolls, and also I could always set them up.
did you know there's actually a mini brand shaving cream?
The white one, you put the shaving cream.
Yes.
I'm gonna pretend that they had a beard.
I want to do Miss Minchi from 4 months. Poor Pepel lost. Oh, but it's okay. We have to be a good sport, right?
Good thing I took my hand. Good thing I took off my hand.
Okay, guys, let's read this comment from Armelaza Gonzalo. Ang saya, katawa naman ni sila Ate Pia at tsaka ni Ate Pepe. So cute naman their responses. Okay, this is from Noel. He said, "Yay! Another awesome video, Pia and Pepe. I hope we can do a gaming video. Comment below if we should do a gaming video. We're gonna we only play Roblox, but we don't play bad games."
Two videos.
This is from Marvin Go. Another episode of Sister Power. Sister Power. Dun, 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 dun.
Huyo! Wow!
Wala na yon! Wala na yon! I'm gonna read Misorashi fast again. Ready? We're gonna get one like that at the piano Pepel Great Unboxing. Done.
How about slow?
Okay. Where can I get one like that? Ate, Pia, and Ate Pepel. Great unboxing. Sister Power. Dun, 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 dun.
Hiya!
This is from Ransa Malari, our mom again. Woohoo! She said we love you. Aww, salamat sa Diyos.
Okay, Ate Tisha from
Mini
Babarista!
We're gonna put that channel up there and go and if you didn't watch it, go and watch it. And if you're new, hello! Mini Barista said the same as what my mom typed,
But with
no emojis. Okay guys, that's it for the comments and make sure